Good morning, guys. Big day in crypto today. We've got the FOMC meeting that's coming out, and we're going to see if we'll get a 75 or maybe 100 basis point hike. Guys, definitely be watching that. Jake's going to cover that in the videos today, but I wanted to take a moment here with you guys and just show you how to scalp these markets. I want to give you guys the secret sauce. I'm going to be showing you guys how in the world are we doing 440% more than the S&P 500. If you actually take the amount that the S&P 500 is down for just the year of 2022, you guys are actually experiencing, if you used your entire account balance for each of our trades, you are sitting at 634% more than the S&P 500. That literally, guys, is no joke, life-changing to some of you who are seeing this. I want to point your attention right over here. So I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see this. On every one of our trades, I highly recommend you guys use risk management. And here's the deal, guys. Our strategy, I'm about to dive in here really quick and show you guys. You guys are going to see how we use risk management. And if you do use risk management, even if you use the highest degree of risk management possible, basically buying as much insurance as you can on each of the trades you take, you're at 11%. With the drawdown of S&P 500, guys, you're over average. You're over 300% more than the S&P 500 using the best risk management possible. This is a no-brainer strategy. We've never lost a scalping trade. We just have one pending right now, and we keep calling trades out for all of you guys. We took a 3.5% win on actually Mana the other day. We didn't hit 4%, so we stayed up, we looked, and we watched all this for you guys. And literally, we are working for you every single day of the month for only $75 a month. We are working every single day to get you guys into the best scalping trades. So make sure you guys snag a membership before this video is over if you guys want us to call these out for you. Let's not take any more time, guys. Let's dive on in. I'll show you guys the testimonials at the end of the video. I will give you guys a 53% discount on the top and bottom finder, as well as an 82% discount on these indicators at the end. Everything just gets better as you continue in this video all the way till the end. Okay, guys, first thing I do is I make sure I have trend exhaustion. I have price risk well money flow. I've got TC market reversals and the top and bottom finder loaded on my charts. I like to do this. Daily time frame, here's what we're going to do. Is the trend exhaustion white line in the bottom red section. And when I say bottom red section, guys, I'm just looking for the section right here. So what we're going to do is very simply, we're going to put a green little tag over here next to the coins that the trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section. That's all we're going to do. We're going to make this a very simple process. This is not something you have to rush at all. It is honestly methodical. I find it actually very peaceful, and it is just a lot of fun to come out here and look at this. It kind of makes you feel like the CIA when you're like, got all these charts up and you're like, all right, we're going to analyze what's going on today. We're going to find the best trade setup. So I actually just really enjoy this process. And this is what I do, guys, when I look for scalping trade setups and all those ones that we've won. This is literally what I am doing. So looking at these coins, we're a little bit higher. You and I actually is not too bad. We have a managing trade on that. But let's come back up here. Now that we've got our watch list over here, and feel free to screenshot this if you want to copy with me, we now have a bookmark next to all the ones where trend exhaustion is low in the bottom red section. I'm going to take this video slow. I know some of you guys, I don't mean this in a bad way at all, that we have a testimony of a 50-year-old plus dad, and I know people who are older, they're like, slow it down, Travis. So I'm slowing this down so you guys can understand this. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section, that is number one, everyone needs to confirm. Okay, follow me on this. We're just going to move up. The second one, price versus well money flow. Is price versus well money flow the green line, prices in pink, is the green line low? Comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum, which one is lower? Definitely Ethereum at a metric value of, let's call this 43.98. Okay, Ethereum is lower. Let's go to ADA. Is this below 43? It is not. It's currently above. So we're just going to keep moving our way down. DOT, we are at 36. Yes, it is definitely below that. Let's take a look at SHIB over here. SHIB is about a 44. I like that. We're going to leave it on because I want to look at a couple options here for us. AVAX is at a 58. That's too high for me, in my opinion. Matic, this is sitting at about a 56, just a little bit too high for me. And then you and I sitting all the way up here at 60, not even close to being a trade we're going to consider. So out of all these, I may go ahead and just pull back in probably, Ethereum if we want to look at that. Okay. Now that we've got that dialed in, trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section, showing that the actual structure of crypto is low, because when trend exhaustion is low, we're looking for a move back up in the market. You can see this over here. When this is low, we're looking for moves back up. When this is low, we're looking for moves back up over here. Let me circle this for you guys. And then over here, I am looking for an overall market reversal, by the way, for the market. Okay, let's move up here now. Do we see green bars on the TC market reversals? We see a couple green bars over here, so that's a positive sign for me. DOT has seen a couple of green bars recently. I like that, as well as SHIB. Okay, we're doing pretty well so far. Now, guys, here's the deal. There's not a lot of steps. You're just literally visually following this straight up. That's all you're doing. The last step up here is you guys want to be looking for some type of sign over here on the top and bottom finder, usually a buy or a strong buy signal on the daily time frame to enter into this trade. So at the moment, SHIB doesn't have a buy signal. DOT doesn't have a buy signal, but Ethereum does have a buy signal over here. However, it is not on the current candle. I really like, guys, to get a buy signal on either the 1 day or the 4 hour. So what I'll do here, guys, I'll leave this here because I want to give you guys just a little bit of excitement of when you guys do purchase this. I want you guys to look at the 4 hour time frame, and I'll show you guys how to do this on Ethereum. So if you guys are coming over here and you're looking at the 4 hour time frame, I want you guys to watch for buy signals. Why am I wanting you guys to watch for this? Buy signals show that we're looking for moves back up in the market, okay? And I'll show you this guy. Let's just look at it on DOT real quick. Strong buy signals are going to see markets back up in the market, and we're also going to see SHIB when we get a buy down here or a strong buy. We're looking for market moves back up. The market moved up here, market moved up here, market moved up here. I just decided to show you guys. I didn't want to hold that out for you guys. So here's what you guys are going to do. Once you see all that and you wait for that buy signal on the 4 hour time frame, you guys can go ahead and look to enter in the trade. Here is maybe the best part about this, is that we have actually coded in full risk management for you guys all the way down to 3 buy limits. So follow me here. This is very, very important. You guys are looking at this on DOT. You're like, okay, I see the price, but I don't see it on SHIB. Here's what we did. We coded in a secret line over here. In decimal places, click 8. This will actually move your decimal places out so you can see coins such as SHIB, Shiba Inu, where it has a lot of decimal points, a lot of zeros before we actually get to the price. Okay, do you remember when I told you guys using risk management is really important? This buys insurance on your trades. If you are looking for a full beginning to end strategy to scalp the markets, this is what you guys need. Okay, now that we've confirmed that we have a good entry looking to get into these coins, what you guys can do is look to enter into the market with different buy limits. I am suggesting that everybody, I'm not a financial advisor, but we use 2 buy limits on every single one of our entries right now. So let's play this out. And by the way, I want to make this really clear. I know I've shown you 3 options here, but I will be calling out the official trade for scalps in the Telegram channel for all of our members. I'm not going to call it today. I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and you guys can and choose that, but I will call that out for all of our members because I'm waiting for a little bit more data. That's why I can't call it right now because I'm waiting for more to happen. I'm waiting for some buy signals. All right. So once you guys get in here and you guys actually, let's say you take a $10,000 and you put in, let's just say the first 2 buy limits, 3,333 will go at a market order. 3,333 will go at a buy limit 1, and 3,333 will go at buy limit 2, okay? This gives you guys incredible risk management. So if the price actually starts to head down here and it hits your first buy limit, your break-even entry is not up here. It actually is moving down between the entry, the market order, and the first buy limit. Listen here, this is the only strategy that as the market goes against you in the strategy, you get a better break-even entry and you make more money as it goes back up. Why? Because you have money waiting for you if the market drops. So if it goes past your break-even entry, once 1 or 2 buy limits are hit, you are actually going to make more money. So here's the last thing I want to point out to you guys. Once you guys are in these markets, you want to look for the take profit. We have this coded, the top and bottom finder coded to a 4%. Let me circle this down here. A default of 4%. I have scoured these markets, guys. I've done the mathematical equations on the lows, the highs, the higher lows, higher highs. Almost every single one of the structures on the 4 hour time frame will move at minimum 4% when these parameters are met. A lot of them move even 5 to 6, but I want to just get us into a goal that we can actually achieve, 4%. So if you guys want to, you can come over here and adjust this. Let's say you want to go to 10%. The awesome part about this is that you guys actually visually get to see where your take profit is before you enter the trade. And here's a little secret for everybody. When you look at your take profit, you want to look to make sure you are sitting below resistance. Why is that? Because when price moves up to resistance, most likely that's a place where we're going to move back down. So if you were to use, let's say, a parameter of 10%, I personally wouldn't do that because you're putting yourself above resistance, where the price is most likely going to try to move back down. In this case of DOT, about 674. Okay, if we move this back down to a 4, look how much more favorable this gets for you visually. You're actually below this resistance up here and you're not even touching it. This is a favorable place to look to get into the markets. Okay, this indicator literally, guys, these 4 indicators right here, because this is combined into one. This will get, well, let's call it 4, but it's actually really 3. So trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, top and bottom finder, and you guys get the free indicator of TC market reversal. So 4, but 3 indicators for purchase. I'll show you guys that in 1 second here. You are literally getting a full encompassing strategy from beginning to end. That's what I love about this most. So make sure you guys set up these indicators today. Follow us in a membership, and let me give you guys literally a $400 discount right now. The indicators you guys need for top and bottom finder, as well as the price to swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion. You guys need to get the bundle pack first. The bundle pack will give you guys the trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, and that will give you guys an 82% discount as well on those indicators. You guys on top of those are going to get 7 extra indicators that you guys can just play with and have a blast. They're honestly very amazing indicators. I coded these 2 indicators down here for Forex, which have never been coded on TradingView before, and this is what we call a jackpot indicator. Videos to all of these. Once you guys purchase the bundle pack, you will get lifetime access and you will actually get the source codes for every one of our indicators. It's kind of ridiculous what we're doing over here. You don't get the source code to this one because it's just like, this literally is the best one in the whole crypto market. But here's the special deal we've got going on for you guys today. So just listen to this carefully. If you have previously purchased the bundle pack, go ahead and email us right now, as you're watching this video, at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We are just going to email you guys the 53% off coupon code. But everyone who purchases this right after checkout with the source codes, because you guys are going to get this right after checkout, literally on the same page as you get the source codes, you will get a PDF called Surprise Gift. Everybody open the surprise gift. It is a 53% coupon code for the top and bottom finder. It is cheaper to buy the bundle pack right now, get the coupon code, and then buy the top and bottom finder than to buy the top and bottom finder outright. You might as well get 11 indicators instead of just 2. So once you guys purchase this, you get the coupon code, follow these steps. It is so simple. Just click this link right here. You guys will see everything open up. You can see our ratings, reviews, and everything is transparent here. Come over and click, I want this. Just enter that coupon code right where it says discount code, and you guys will literally get $400 off the top and bottom finder. That's it, guys. This is so stinking simple. We made this very simple for people because we're like, we need to give people a strategy. And honestly, I think a lot of people in the crypto market have been looking for a full encompassing strategy from beginning to end. Here's the catch, guys, with really good risk management, with literally Fibonacci retracements and support levels coded in at buy limit levels to give you guys risk management. And we have a track record, guys, of literally never losing a scalping trade. And we are, based off where S&P 500 is, guys, at I'm looking at the calculation, 634% more than the S&P 500. So snag that, guys, with the link in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. And guys, I'll leave you with this. If you guys want to end this video right now, go ahead and snag that. But maybe take a second, guys, to just see some testimonials. This guy's like, I made back the cost of the bundle pack and the top and bottom finder. The indicators I'm sharing with you guys today, this guy purchased it. He made it back within 2 hours on a Bitcoin trade after installing the indicator. It's pretty crazy. This guy's like, I'm a small fish. I just made $120 I made 120 USD profit following your signals. Top and bottom finder, guys. This guy's a 50-year-old crypto dad. Like, great job, man. He did $110 profit. He's like, I got signed up for the full website access, which is the $75, 4 hours ago, and have already paid for it with $110 profit on DOT. This guy down here makes $5,000 in the past 2 weeks using the trend exhaustion and the price to swell money flow. These indicators really, really, really do work, guys. This guy does 450% because he used leverage on the 30-minute time frame. Just keeping everything honest with you guys. This guy takes a scalping trade. He does $2,000 in a matter of a few hours. This guy down here, the new indicators are awesome. If you're into trading crypto, buy this immediately. It is very easy to use and understand. I can't stand complicated. Today has been a very simple day of showing you guys how to use this. The new indicator is amazing. Everyone get it now. I got set up yesterday. I've already made my money back. Great indicator. already made my money back. If you're going to purchase tools, guys, in this market, you need to be making your money back based off the purchase price. We've had multiple people purchase this and just make their money back within 48 hours, okay? So I just want to show this to you guys because I think it's really exciting. When you start using a metric like this, the profits start adding up and the edge you feel in the market is honestly unparalleled to anything else you'll get. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this slow, methodical process. Get the indicators in the description. You guys have us over email. If you have any questions once you set it up, if you have questions, about entries, exits, anything like that, we literally can help you guys. We have a tutorial video you guys can watch as well that I pinned. It's actually in the actual description of this YouTube video right now. But make sure you guys get the indicators. Use that 53% off coupon code. Get your $400 off today, guys. Set up this indicator and look for the scalping trades. And then last but not least, if you want to take this to the next step, just get everything and you're like, I'm diving in full board, get the indicators first and then come over here and snag that membership and I will show you guys how I'm calling all these trades out. You can follow me for say 3-4 months and then you don't need a membership anymore and just use the indicators on your own. I will teach that all to you guys. And on top of that, we're going to go live tomorrow in a Zoom call to even speak about this even more with the entire family, and that's tomorrow. Today is the day to set all this up because it literally is giving you guys the best of everything. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Email us if you have any questions. Set those indicators up. Enjoy the discount, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.